Hello gamers! Welcome to another one of my videos on RetroArch. In this video, we are going to use an updated version of my RetroArch Libretro thumbnails downloader version 3.1 with Rom Renamer.xlsm. It is an upgraded version from my previous video in my other channel. In this version 3.1, it is the combination of version 1.0, version 2.0 and version 3.0 into one. The local button will list parent folder and subfolders if any, thus we can get other images or thumbnails not limited to LRThumbnails folder only. Libretro button now will check for local thumbnails if they are available, before going to webpage to search. An arrow down button to scroll to selected image row in column E. Refer to my previous videos on how to rename ROMs, copy to RetroArch, match any function, RetroArch XMB UI settings, etc. The links are in the description below. Are you ready to retro? Let's go. Open RetroArch. In Sega Mega Drive imported content. When we use RetroArch thumbnails downloader, we get these boring 2D box art and screenshot images. Let's fix that. On my desktop, I have these thumbnails or images for our ROMs for this demo. We are going to import these 3D boxes and mix images, which are much better artworks than what we saw earlier in RetroArch. Open the Excel program. We are using version 3.1 now. In tab sheet 1, always start a new project by clicking the Reset All button. Next, click the RetroArch button. Make sure you see RetroArch folder in the folder name box, then click OK. When you are in the correct folder where RetroArch.exe is found, you will see the path listed in cell C4. Next, click the Emulators button. For this demo, select the Sega Mega Drive playlist. Make sure you see the playlist file name in the file name box, then click OK. The emulator's name will be in cell C5 and ROMs will be listed from cell C6 onwards, if any. Click the Local button. When we click this button, this cell E4 was empty earlier. A default path will be listed as shown as LRThumbnails /system. This path or directory is found at the same directory as where the Excel file is. From here we can go to other path or directory. Since our 3D boxes and mix images folders are on the desktop, click on parent folder to go one directory up. Now we will see in cell E4 showing the current or new directory. Click the parent folder again. The path URL or cell E4 is showing desktop, and in the list below, we can find our 3D boxes folder. Click on the cell that says ./3D boxes. This will bring us to that subfolder where the 3D box images are found. The path URL or cell E4 is now showing the current directory, and cell E5 or eMessage is showing the number of PNG files found or not found. Select a ROM from column C. The highlighted cell will be in red. Next, select a thumbnail in column E. When the selected cell in column E is an image file, the image will be displayed in the preview box. Thus we can see that it is the correct image or box art for our ROM. Now click in cell F4 or art type. Choose one of the art type. For now choose box art since the image in the preview is a box art. Whenever we make changes to the art type, a message prompt will remind us that we have changed it. Click OK to close the message box. We are ready to import this image. Click the Copy to RetroArch button now. Read the message to make sure it is the correct file and folder. To confirm, click Yes. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Click OK to close it. In tab sheet 2, the activity that we just did will be logged here. Repeat the same process for the next ROM. Once we have completed importing all the 3D boxes, click the parent folder to go up one directory for the next artworks. This will bring us back to desktop. Click on the list that says ./mix images. Make sure to change the art type to snaps. Repeat the same process, but this time it's for snaps. We have completed importing 3D boxes and snaps images to RetroArch. In tab sheet 2, details of all the activities were logged here. We can close the Excel program. Open RetroArch and go to Mega Drive imported content. As you can see, we have successfully imported the 3D box arts and snaps in all of our ROMs. Let's make a minor change to this UI. From Settings, select User Interface then Appearance. Currently, this option is on. Set it to off. Now our UI is looking so much better than before. This is what we want. Let's launch a game. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.